Hello, I'm Derek Temple, and this is my weekly update. And I guess the first thing that I should explain is that up until this past Sunday, I was in a play and did not have near as much time during the first week of class as I would have liked, and kind of fell behind. I also had trouble figuring out how to get the pivotal tracker to work. But now that I've got that figured out, I'm getting somewhere, finally. But you will notice that my pivotal tracker has quite a few things that aren't finished, but I've started on. It's a work in progress still, but I'm not yet caught up. Also, it took me a bit of time because I decided to work on a project that I've worked on in the past. Me and my friend Biak Sang, we were in the advanced server-side class together, and we used the CodeIgniter framework to build this web page, and we used the TinySong API from GrooveShark. And I decided to make this into a mobile web page. So what this does is it searches the TinySong API's, it uses the TinySong API to search GrooveShark's database and returns things based on the music search that you make. It also has a registration and login, and it's a working registration and login. So if I were to log in, it now puts my name at the top. Basically what I did for the mobile website, you see in the browser it doesn't look very pretty at all. But what we're going to do is, I want to show you, this is on the iPhone. This is the iPhone simulator from Xcode, and I've made it basically very simple. This is just editing the CSS that was already built, so this is not using my CSS framework yet. But I figured I'd get the design down first in Photoshop before I start working with that. And that's what I'm working on right now, actually, is the style tiles and trying to come up with a good set of design patterns that I can use for the mobile. Obviously, mobile's going to have to be different from the desktop version. So that's where I'm at, and hopefully I'll be able to get more done this coming week.